Can AI replace human songwriters? That's the question I set out to answer. I fed an AI tool a simple prompt: write me a hit love song. In seconds, it gave me lyrics, a melody idea, even a chord progression. I used another AI to turn those lyrics into a full-blown track. Vocals, beat, everything. The result? Surprisingly catchy. But here's the twist. When I played it for people, most couldn't tell it was AI generated. Some even said it sounded better than songs on the radio. So, what does this mean for human artists? Are we being replaced or just getting upgraded? Personally, I see AI as a co-writer, not a competitor. It speeds up the process, gives you inspiration on days when you're stuck, and helps you get from idea to finished song faster than ever. I'm not saying machines are the new Mozarts, but they're definitely shaking the music game up. Want to hear the full AI-made track?